Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you tips to earn money with graphic design. Okay, let's get started guys. As we know that now we can make passive income with digital product, right? So here I would like to recommend you to visit this website and sell your digital product here. Basically guys, we can use this website to sell digital product or purchase digital product. And when the first time you open this website, don't forget to create your account. And here, as you can see, I have created my account. This is my ID or username. And after you have created an account on this website, you'll be able to sell your product or buy product from here. And actually, we can use this website to sell for example, Canva template, Instagram template, or video template. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can sell Canva template here. Okay, after you have created an account, you can go to the home. Okay, and if you want to sell your digital product, you can click on digital product right here. And then here you can add a preview of your digital product. I'm just going to upload my Canva design here. Okay, and click on crop and submit. And you can add title for your digital product. I'm going to add voting design like this, and you can add description. I'm just going to add random description. Okay. This is template for voting from Canva. You can customize the description according to your needs, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then you can paste the Canva link right here. This is the template I want to sell, for example. Click on copy link, and I'm going to go back. Okay, and then you can add the price. For example, I'm just going to add 5,000 rupiah. Okay, and then I'm just going to set unlimited for the item quantity. Okay, and for example, I'm just going to set unlimited for the quantity. Okay, then you can choose the block layout. I'm just going to choose the default. And then once you're done, you can click on add digital. Okay, that's easy, right? And this is for your product link, and you'll be able to share it to your friends on social media so they will know about your product, and they will visit this website to buy your product. Okay guys, and that's all the way to earn money with graphic design. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.